Dear friends, welcome to Educ8s TV, where I share do-it-yourself hardware and software projects and easy-to-follow tutorials. I build projects with Arduino, like the Arduino Weather Station project or the simple data logging project. I post Arduino tutorials about displays, sensor and software libraries. I build projects with Raspberry Pi, I build robots, I post videos about quadcopters and much more. I post a new video every Saturday, and I do so because I love making things and helping people doing the same. My plan is to build a community of makers where anyone can find knowledge and share his knowledge so that we can build more complex projects that hopefully will improve someone's life. So subscribe and let's use YouTube together to accomplish that.